Standard 6th, subject Social Science, chapter number 3, Ancient Towns and Scriptures, part 2. In part 1, we have learned about the towns of Harappan civilization which are included in India. Today, in second part, we are going to learn about the life of the people living in Harappan civilization or in that town. Life depends on many various ways. In economic way means to earn the livelihood. In social life means to live in society. Then religious life, funeral, script and language is used to communicate with each other. These are the different types of parts which we played or the roles which we played in our life. First, we talk about economic life, means what they were doing to earn their livelihood. People of Indus Valley civilization were engaged in economic activities like agriculture, livestock rearing. This is the photo of livestock rearing, means to pet the domestic animals. Then trade means business and silk industry. In agriculture, they produce wheat, barley, peas, sesame. Sesame means til, mustard means rye, etc. They used plug. They reared animals like buffalo, cow, goat, and bullocks. Historians believe that cotton cloth produced here used to reach Mesopotamia and Egypt. In addition to this, people living here were also involved in professions like pottery, means making things from clay, metalwork, then bead making and sculptures. Sculptures means making idols. The photo of one sculpture is given in your textbook, a stone statue found in Mohenjo-daro wearing garments on page number 13. Next is social life of Harappan civilization. As we know that they were doing agriculture and livestock rearing to earn their life, the people of this time used to have wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame and date palms. Date palms means khajur. Due to cattle rearing, they also eat or consist milk and milk products. Fish hook has found remnants of civilization, so their food must have included fish also. We get information regarding the attire of people of that time on the basis of sculptures from Indus Valley civilization. Men and women wear similar clothes to dhoti on their vest and upper part. They wrapped a short cloth which came down from the shoulder. They mainly used cotton clothes. People of this time wear ornaments like necklace, ring, hand bracelet, bangles, earrings, waist belt, anklets, etc. And these ornaments were made up of gold, silver, and precious stones. The people of Indus Valley civilization made utensils of earthenware, copper, bronze, etc. These vessels or utensils includes bowl, earthen mug, metallic pot, saucer, casserole, etc. People of Indus Valley made special types of toys of their children, including bird-shaped whistle, rattlers, carriage, cart, marble toys. In a way, creativity, the artistry of these people is expressed in these toys. So next is religious life. The people of Harappan civilizations were believed in ideals and postures. So they worshipped the ideals of Matraka Devi, that means Mother Earth. They also worship trees, animals, Nag Devta and Swastik. The remaining of worship fire have been found from Lothal and Kalibangan. At the time of funeral, Harappan civilization might have been burning dead people as we do today in Hindu religion. Evidence of Agni Sanskar have been found at many places. They buried dead animals or dead person and also kept some things with dead body. Next is script and language. Which type of language were used at that time in Harappan civilization? The coins, seals, copper plates have been found from Harappan civilization on which some texts were inscribed. This language is very mysterious, and although some researches have done on this, but till it didn't went successful yet. Next is places of Harappan civilization in Gujarat. Which towns are related to Harappan civilization in Gujarat? They are Rangpur and Lothal in Ahmedabad district, Rojri in Rajkot district, Desalpur in Kutch district, Dholavira, Surkotda, Lakhbawad in Jamnagar district, Amra, and Bhagatarav on bank of Kim river in Bharuch district. The historians believe that Harappan civilizations may have ended because of earthquake, flood, or external invention. Historians today have found it a subject of research, and still research is done on it. According to this, we can say that the life of the people of Harappan civilization were very settled and prosperous. They have all the means to live the beneficial life at their time. With this, there are many religious books written at that time, which are our ancient texts, which includes 4 Ved. There are 4 Ved which teach us the life, which type of life is to be lived by us. They are Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharvaved, in which Rigved is the oldest Ved. It includes 1028 hymns. Hymns means the poem written for God or the religious poem, which are known as suktas. It is written in Old Sanskrit or Vedic Sanskrit. With the help of Rigved, we can get the information of political, social, economic and religious life of Aryans. They are reference of life of common men in Rigved. There are reference of political the reference of political institute like Gan, Samiti and Sabha. Sabha was smaller than Samiti. The head of the state of Sabha discuss the important issues and give justice, whereas Samiti decides the king and army chief and priest were appointed by the Samiti to assist the king. One of the work of king was Gaveshana, that means war. In Rigved, we get a reference of battles between 10 kings on the bank of river Ravi. Rigved provides us information about social life of Aryans. One of the unit of society was family. They used to live in a joint family system. Society was not divided into caste and races, and women were given the equal status or high status in society. They even got education at that time. Among them, Apala, Lopamudra, and Ghosha created Richas of Rigved. Mention of worship of nature is found in Rigved. Rigved taught us how to worship the God, how to live a life, and which type of life should be lived by us. Ideals should be given in Rigved. Worshipping of Indra, Varun, Agni, Surya, etc. is mentioned in Rigved. They also mention Usha as goddess of morning and Aditi as goddess of evening. Cows, horses, and bulls have been discussed at many places in Rigved. As compared to other animals, horses have been mentioned more times, which indicates importance of pastoralism in their lives. Animal husbandry was done collectively and agriculture was secondary in the early stage of Rigvedic age. So we can say that the people of Harappan civilizations were living a very stable life with all their means of living and earn their livelihood. Here we are going to complete our third chapter. Thank you.